In this lesson, we will discuss the setup process, how to get it right, learn how to develop a winning profile, know your audience, and increase your following. Your profile is one of the most important elements on TikTok. It provides you with an opportunity to establish your identity and attract your target audience. Effectively communicate why your audience should subscribe to your page by highlighting your uniqueness as a creator. If you are not able to make a solid first impression, you won't be able to grow your audience. Stand out from the crowd by being unique. Ideally, you would want your username to stay the same across all social channels. So if your username is Skaterboy on TikTok, you should use the same username on YouTube and Instagram. Make it easy to spell and keep it consistent with your niche. The purpose. If you have the same username in all your social profiles, your TikTok fans can easily find you on other social media accounts. For your safety, be careful about what you share on your profile as well as in images and videos. Suspects may abuse any personal information that you share. Be aware of your background because this could provide details as to where you live. Know who your audience is. Ask yourself, why would others be interested in following me? What does my account offer? Where is the value that many other popular accounts are providing? Entertainment, but more specifically, is it comedy? Is it music or dance? Embrace the trends on the TikTok app and use them to your advantage. Does your talent live in pulling pranks? Then create entertaining prank videos. Can you inspire others or provide value to others? Steer away from being just another lip singer that doesn't provide any value to your viewers. Remember, you are making videos to entertain your audience, so you need to think about how to keep them engaged. Don't be a people pleaser and distribute random content in each video. Spend your time and energy producing content that is relevant to your audience because this will keep their interest. Increase your following. In order to make money, you need to build an active audience and following on the TikTok app. Once you have a great profile and you have established your audience, you will want to focus on increasing your followers and viewers. The most successful users on TikTok are those that publish content consistently and frequently. When looking at TikTok's top influencers, you'll notice that many of them are working on YouTube as well. This particular method has shown a lot of success in gaining a bigger audience. Influencers feature the best of TikTok compilations and memes. Ultimately, they are clever to leverage YouTube's advertising system because they are making money on two platforms. Learn what matters with solid publishing strategies. If you set up a pattern, this will help your audience determine when to expect new content. Why would this matter? Well, if your fans know that you publish content on Wednesdays and Fridays, they will likely wait for you to appear on TikTok on these days and look for your most recent video. Bonus, fans will be more likely to tell their buddies about you, and this could widen your following. Tip number 1. An effective way to connect with your audience is to sneak in videos that tell your audience about you. This would be another type of video added between your main videos. Your audience will get to know you and start becoming true fans. Tip number 2. Keep the vibe and style consistent because you want your identity to be recognized. Users that are lip singing could design videos with the same format or style. Alternatively, your song choice or the way the song is sung can also help build recognizable themes.